I'm John Aldred for DIYPhotography.net. I'm here with Paul Hill at the Manfrotto stand at IBC 2019, and we're going to take a look at some new tripods.
DIY Photography's coverage of IBC 2019 is sponsored by SERP, Better Films, Zion, a gimbal for everyone, Manfrotto, Imagine More, and Spiffy Gear, lighting for storytellers.
So Paul, hi, how are you doing? Good. So tell us about these tripods you brought.
Well, we obviously have a fantastic legacy in terms of tripod technology, and here at IBC 2019 we brought it right up to date with 2 new fast deployment tripods for our pro video customers. So do you want me to take you through them?
Please do.
Wonderful. Okay. So first of all, we've got our new fast single tripod. We do a twin leg tripod as well, but we know that there's customers that have different needs and requirements, and the single leg takes the shape of our sort of old 535 carbon fibre tripods, but brings it up to date with this fast deployment feature. And to give you an idea, just with one movement, you can take both legs out and lock it. So quick, easy, one movement instead of 2 or more on most tripod legs, which means you can get your tripod up and down with real ease. Not only that, all carbon fibre as well, so nice and lightweight, great vibration reduction, and using a lot of our latest technologies as well. So things like our EasyLink connectors on the sides here, so rather than loading your head up with lots of different bits, there's 2 mounting points on here, so if you want to put monitors, battery sources, other items, very simple, very easy as well. So that certainly is a great one, but there's also other features on it as well. We've also got the ability with this tripod to have different leg angles, so we've actually put leg angle selectors on here so you can go completely flat as well. But not only that, there's actually mounting points for spreaders. So you can have a spreader both at mid-level and at ground level as well.
Brilliant.
And we do a 2-in-1 spreader, which means that one device will work on both, so it saves having 2 different accessories for it.
Brilliant.
So
and the feet come off on this one as well, don't they?
Absolutely, yeah. So you just pull that rubber off and you've got the same twin spike feet as on our older tripod range, and also on the new fast twin, which means it'll use the same dollies and other accessories as well.
Brilliant.
So yeah.
And I've noticed there's a Velcro grip on this as well. Tell us about how that all locks together.
Yeah, sure. I'll just pop that foot back on and show you. So, I mean, let's face it, using it's one thing, but carrying it's another, and that's where
we've been having that problem here at IBC.
Oh, well, there you go. You need one of these. All right.
Yeah.
So, all you do is
you're offering.
Oh, absolutely. All you need to do, wrap it around, and you've got just a very simple, effective carrying solution. Doesn't need to be any frills. Just makes it very easy to actually
Brilliant.
make.
And you can slide that up and down the legs to balance
Absolutely.
with whatever head you've got on it. And
Completely.
brilliant,
Yeah.
brilliant. So which model is this? What's it called?
So this is the single fast carbon fibre tripod. So this is going to be paired with our Nitrotech 600 series heads,
Right.
as well as being available on its own. It's a 75mm bowl, so it's ideal for that sort of mid-range camera, anything up from a mirrorless DSLR up to a good size cinema camera as well.
Brilliant, brilliant.
So should we move on
All right,
to the
yes,
twin?
tell us about the twin.
Excellent. So, twin. First of all, it looks like a standard twin video tripod, so I think for many people it'll be a very familiar thing to look at. Second thing, it's quite lightweight. Now we do this in both aluminium and carbon fibre. It uses a 100mm bowl as standard, but supplied in the box is a 75mm bowl adapter as well. So again, you've got the choice if you're using heavier systems on it. Both the twin and the single have got 20 kilo payloads, so actually going over 20 kilos nowadays is more of an end, probably beyond our market. So actually we feel very comfortable that this will really satisfy the needs of the content creators that are using these. So quick deployment, up and down in seconds, great rigidity as well because it uses the twin leg.
Very, very solid.
And 100% carbon fibre, this is premium stuff. And again, you've got the spreader on here. The spreaders are also dead easy to take off. So it's just a simple clip system.
Right.
And again, that can be taken off. And what's also new about this twin tripod is that it does have leg angle selectors on here as well. So people have used our 546s or even our twin aluminium and carbons.
Yeah, because most of this style, the legs just go out as far as the spreader will let them, won't it? Yeah,
absolutely. So you can use it with or without the spreader, and so again you can get quite low level, and it's just dead easy to use. And this is just using the same innovations and technology we've had in our other tripod units.
So are these both available now?
Okay, so these have been announced here at the show. Information will be sent out overnight. It's very soon indeed. And they'll be available tripod only and in kits. So the twin will be available in our Nitrotech 600 series in the 608 and 612 heads. It'll also be available with our 526 head, which is our sort of biggest top of the line, and also in our 509 as well, so catering for that higher end user. And then the single will be available with 608, 612 heads, and also on its own too. And again, just to mention on the Nitrotech 600 series heads, I mean, they are absolutely the perfect partners for these products. You know, these are products that have been designed with the content creators in mind for speed of deployment, the continuous counterbalance, and the 608, it's the only head that I know of that can do small and big cameras in one product up to 8 kilos. So put it all together, you've got a pretty magic formula.
Yeah, absolutely. So what's this other one you've got here?
So this is one of these, just to show you. So this is actually configured with a 612 head.
Right.
So this is the aluminium leg, just to show you. And I guess nothing too different really, but just to show you, it just looks beautiful.
It does.
And do you know what? It works as well as it looks.
Brilliant.
So I really want everyone to come and have a look at it, check it out, and just see how fast and how good these things work.
Brilliant. Are there expected prices on these yet?
Absolutely. Pricing's just been confirmed for each market, and I think the first thing to say, it's reasonable. You know, you're going to be looking at, I mean, for a kit like this, that's €1249 for the 612 head with the aluminium fast legs. And you look at what's around in the market, I think it's really good stuff.
That is pretty competitive.
Absolutely, and there's lower price versions of this as well. But when you consider the price of the products that we're using, you know, you say, I don't know, Blackmagic Pocket Cinema camera, GH5, then actually these are price points that I think really reflect the way that people are spending their money on kit.
Yeah, exactly, and a good tripod will last you 20, 30 years.
Absolutely, and you know, we really believe in the quality of our products. It's made in Italy, it's designed in Italy, and you know, our engineering is something that we're really proud of, and we know that customers tell us all the time that, you know, they can believe in our quality.
Brilliant. Well, thank you very much, Paul.
No problem at all. That's me.
I'm John Older for DIYPhotography.net. That was Manfrotto. We're going to keep looking around IBC and see what else we can find. Don't forget, we're giving away $5,000 worth of cinema gear. Check the link in the description below for that. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.